Good morning and welcome in today's session, dear students. So children, I have uploaded the word problems of multiplication chapter, that is exercise 5.6. You can download and complete those word problems in your copy. Okay. So today we are going to begin our new chapter, new unit 6, division. Division you are going to study first time. Like multiplication, you cannot solve divisions without tables. Okay. Now what is division? Let me explain you with an example. Okay. So here I have drawn the picture of toffees. Okay. Now can you count how many toffees are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. 8 toffees are there. Now suppose these 8 toffees are to be shared among 2 children. Suppose those two children are Ram and Shyam. Okay. Suppose we have to share these toffees in equal number between Ram and Shyam. Okay. So how will we distribute? First, we'll give 1 toffee to Ram and 1 to Shyam. Okay, I am writing R for Ram and S for Shyam. Okay, 1 is given. Now, still 6 toffees are left. Now we'll give one more toffees to Ram and Shyam. Okay, now 2 toffees are with Ram and 2 with Shyam. Okay, 4 toffees are still left. So again we'll distribute these toffees to Ram and Shyam. Okay, we'll give one more toffees to Ram and Shyam. Okay, now how many toffees are there with Ram? 1, 2 and 3. And how many toffees are there with Shyam? 1, 2 and 3. Okay, both are having equal number of toffees. But still 2 more toffees are left. So how will we distribute? We'll give again one toffees to Ram and Shyam. Okay. Now how many toffees are there with Ram? Count it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. There are 4 toffees with Ram. Now how many are with Shyam? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Shyam also has 4 toffees. Okay. So here Ram and Shyam both have equal number of toffees. Okay. We have distributed equal number of toffees to Ram and Shyam. So what is division? Division means equal sharing. Okay. What we have done here? We have divided the number of toffees equally among this between Ram and Shyam. Okay. We have divided these number of toffees, 8 toffees, between Ram and Shyam in equal numbers. Okay. So what is division? Division means equal sharing. Okay. Division means equal sharing. When the number of objects or things are distributed equally, it is called division. Okay, distributed means bantna. So when the number of things or objects are distributed in equal numbers or equally, it is called division. Okay, so as per the meaning given in your book, what is division? Division means sharing objects equally. Okay, sharing objects equally. Now, how to write the division statement? How do we write the division statement? Now, there are different terms which are used in division. Okay, so listen carefully. Now, suppose here there are 8 toffees. Okay, so we'll write number 8. Okay, then we'll write the symbol of division. Okay, this is the sign of division, or you can say symbol of division. This symbol, this sign is used to divide the numbers. Okay, now there are 8 total number of toffees. Toffees are 8. We have divided these number of toffees between how many children? 2. Okay, between Ram and Shyam. So here we'll write 2. Okay, 8 divided by 2. 8 toffees shared equally among 2 students. Okay, 2 children, Ram and Shyam. So how many toffees are there with each of them? 4. Okay, 4 with Ram and 4 with Shyam. So this is the division statement. In this way we write the division statement. 8 divided by 2. Okay, 8 is divided by 2 equal to 4. Okay, now what is this 8? The number which is to be divided. Okay, here we are dividing 8 toffees. So the number which is to be divided is called dividend. What is it here? It is dividend. Okay, the first term is dividend. The number which is to be divided is called dividend. Then what is 2? 2. The number by which we divide. Okay, the number by which we divide is called divisor. The number by which we divide is called divisor. Now, after dividing the numbers, we get the answer. Okay, now what is the answer of division called? The answer of division is called quotient. Okay, it is not quotient, it is quotient. Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T, quotient. Okay, so the number which is to be divided is called dividend. The number by which we divide is called divisor, and the answer which we get after division is called quotient. Okay, so these are 3 terms which are used in division. Okay, dividend, divisor and quotient. And what is this? This is the sign of division. This is the symbol of division. Okay. Now division is also called repeated subtraction. First of all, what is subtraction? Subtraction means taking away of objects. Okay, from the group of objects. Okay, taking away few number of objects from the total number of objects. Okay, now what is repeated subtraction? In repeated subtraction, we subtract the number, okay, till we get 0. In repeated subtraction means we subtract the numbers repeatedly till we get 0. Let us understand with an example. Suppose there are 15 cookies, okay, and these cookies are to be divided among 3 children. So, what will be the statement? What will be the division fact? How will we write this? 15 divided by 3. Okay. Now here we'll subtract 3 repeatedly from 15 till we get 0. Okay. to find out how many cookies will each child get. So 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. Now from 12 we'll subtract 3 again. 12 minus 3 is 9. Now from 9 we'll subtract 3 again. 9 minus 3 is 6. Now from this answer, from 6, we'll subtract 3 again. We'll get 3. 6 minus 3, 3. Now from this 3, we'll subtract 3 again. Okay, 3 minus 3, what will be the answer? 0. Okay, so how many times we have subtracted 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have subtracted 3 repeatedly 5 times. Okay. So each child will get 5 cookies. Okay. So this is repeated subtraction. Okay. Division is also called a process of repeated subtraction. So to find out the answer, we can also use this method of repeated subtraction. Okay, but this method is also a long method, like repeated addition and multiplication. This method is also a long method. Okay, so what do? We just write this division fact, this division question, 15 divided by 3. Okay, and then what you have to do is, you have to recall the table of 3 and find out by how many times you get 15 in table of 3. It is 3 5s are, okay, 3 5 times is 15. So the answer is 5. Okay, 5 times we have subtracted, and when you recall the table, you will get at 3 5 times 15. Okay, so 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Okay, you have to recall the table to divide the numbers. In short method, what you have to do, you have to recall the tables and find out by how many times you get a dividend in table of divisor. Okay, so children, please open your book with page number 86. We are going to do exercise 6.1. Here first question is based on repeated subtraction. Okay, division with the method of repeated subtraction. First question is already done in the book. The question is divide by the method of repeated subtraction. Okay, first question is 20 divided by 4. Here we'll subtract. Here we'll subtract 4 from 20 till we get 0. Okay, so 20 minus 4 is 16. 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. And 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, so how many times we have subtracted? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have subtracted 4 from 25 times. Okay, so what is 20 divided by 4? 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. Okay, 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. This is your answer. What is 20 divided by 4? It is 5. The next question is 18 divided by 6. Now here we'll subtract 6 from 18. The number of times we get till we get 0. Okay, so 18 minus 6 is equal to 12. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. And 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So how many times we have to subtract 6 from 18 to get 0? 3 times. Okay? 1, 2 and 3. So what is the answer here? What is 18 divided by 6? 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. Okay? 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. So in this way you have to repeatedly subtract the divisor from dividend till you get 0, and then you have to count the number of times you have subtracted divisor. Okay, that will be the answer, the quotient. Okay, in the same way you have to subtract and finally you have to write the answer. So children, just try this repeated subtraction in your book. 9 questions are given. I'll be uploading these answers afterwards. Okay. Now other questions we'll do in next session. First solve this repeated subtraction. Okay. First do the division with repeated subtraction. And I also have uploaded the word problems. You have to complete those word problems also. So I am winding up today. We'll do question number 2. We'll continue with question number 2 in next session. Okay. Till then, just complete this question 1 of exercise 6.1 in book and complete word problems of multiplication. So now we'll meet in next session. Till then, take care. Goodbye.